Why does your scanner show the P2670 engine code? What does it mean? P2670 is a diagnostic trouble code for actuator supply voltage B circuit low. This error code indicates the PCM or TCM detected that the voltage supplying power to the vehicle's actuators or sensors has dropped below the required threshold. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Wiring issues, corroded connectors, poor ground connections, weak battery or alternator, failed control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Peugeot, Citroën, Dodge, and GMC. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.